Yes, my people, yellow guava in the capsule form, hitting the bloodstream immediately. These capsules made from cellulose, which is biodigestible. Simple means they are from natural cellulose made from plants. Therefore, everything here is plant-based. Hit the stomach. Alright, greetings, peace and light. One more try. I'm here to speak of the health benefits of guava leaf, that is yellow-heart guava, because every other guava is genetically modified. The yellow-heart guava is the original one. And I'm here to give you 15 odd health benefits. So 15 and on forth. I don't know how much I may go because it's a whole lot. So the first one is guava leaf helps lower blood pressure, of course. Second, it helps reduce weight. It helps balance hormone for women with hormonal imbalance. It's a great source of iron. It improves sleep, meaning it helps with the sleep and wake cycle, producing melatonin from your pineal gland. It assists with that. It also fights off cough. 7, it kills oral bacteria. 8, it aids with strong teeth and gum. So it's good for gum health and teeth. That means it has carotene in it. It's also killed bacteria causing diarrhea, which is called E. coli bacteria. It reduces bad cholesterol. Number 11, its antifungal properties is known. 12, it fights acne and blackheads. Yes. It also, for number 13, calm fever. Yes. Number 14, it aids in digestion. And number 15, it relieves itching and allergies. Guava leaf is also known for its high vitamin C and A, potassium and so on. So it's high in minerals. It also keeps our skin looking young and smooth because it has anti-aging qualities or properties. It helps with menstrual problem for women with menstruation problem, hard cramps. This is the answer. It reduces pain. It boosts immune system. It helps with the brain, with developing the gray cell of the brain. Guava leaf helps to improve eyesight because of its high vitamin A. Guava leaf helps to improve the quality of your sleep. I said that already. It helps to treat ear, so it's good for ear health because it's high in the amino acid that is called carotene. It also, the leaf is used to treat malaria and thyroid. Peace and light. One more try. I am not pure, but I am the pure. Knowledge of the true virgin. For more inspiration like this, please check out my new book on Amazon. It's called Earth. Peace and light. I'm out.